Introduction to Hans laser tin welding equipment, tin wire welding process. In the fiercely competitive IT electronics, optoelectronics, and digital manufacturing industries, welding accuracy directly affects product quality. Our tin wire welding system utilizes cutting-edge laser energy technology to achieve micrometer-level precision welding, specially customized for precision components such as PCB socket sensors, mobile phones, and camera modules. With a temperature control of 0.1 seconds instantly, the consistency of solder joints reaches 99.9%. Suitable for ultra-micro solder joint scenarios, such as mobile phone CMOS modules and optical communication devices. The system has low cost and minimal consumables, making it suitable for large-scale mass production and helping enterprises balance quality and cost.